Mr. Speaker, business leaders say the Liberals' anti-energy policies are, quote, borderline treasonous. Brett Wilson says Bill 69 is, quote, lunacy. Nuvista's CEO said, quote, it needs to be completely killed or radically changed. Susan Johns, a British fund manager, said Canadian oil and gas is, quote, being strangled by regulation, carbon taxes, and the inability of producers to get their products to market. So clearly, the Liberals' anti-energy agenda is the problem, not the solution. When will they stop killing Canadian jobs and withdraw their No More Pipelines Bill C-69?
The Honourable Minister of Natural Resources.
Mr. Speaker, we understand the struggles in the industry, in the energy sector, and the price differential that industry is facing. We're working very diligently with provinces, and we're moving forward on expanding our global market to make sure that Alberta's oil sector resources are able to get to non-U.S. markets. What we're seeing today is a result of decade of failure of inaction on behalf of the Harper government, Mr. Speaker.
Honourable Member for Lakeland.
But 4 new pipelines were built under Conservatives, and Darren Peers from Capital Group, a big investor in Canadian oil, points out the reality that, quote, no major pipeline project is yet assured under these Liberals, and that energy investors are, quote, questioning the merits of investing in Canada because of them. What's certain is the Liberals are driving billions of dollars and hundreds of thousands of jobs out of Canada. Synovus warns Canada ignores these red flags at its peril, and provinces are against C-69 too. So will the minister cancel his job-killing No More Pipelines Bill C-69 before it's too late?
Honourable Minister of Natural Resources.
Mr. Speaker, we saw one of the largest private sector investment in the history of our country, $40 billion investment in the energy sector happened under our government. When Harper government came into office in 2006, 99% of Alberta's oil was sold to the U.S. When they left office in 2015, 99% of Alberta's oil was still sold to the U.S. That's the failed record of the Harper government. We are expanding our non-U.S. market and working hard to make sure it happens.
Excellent.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.